keep president, secretary and this thing out of the requirement. You can't have, see there are committee members who are not office bearers, I mean you should have the members of the EC who are not office bearers, who will attend the meetings online and who will get experience. Without that you can't become an office bearer. Yeah, but you should have some members also who will attend the meetings online. That you can put without condition. But anybody who is an office bearer, you should have.
Office bearer, you need president, vice president,
Secretary and treasurer.
joint secretary.
Okay, beyond that, you are not having members. Why don't you have some members who will represent that? Those can be of any type.
We can join secretary for India and
Six elected members.
No, he's given a very good idea that is worth discussing. He's saying the president, vice president, treasury secretary must have 10 years of membership.
At least, if not 10, at least 5. 10 is preferable. But you should have other members, otherwise they don't know how the Alumni Association works or anything. And the first time they are elected, they are an office bearer. See, unless you attend committee meetings for a few years, you will not know how the association functions itself. And then it becomes very difficult for the association to function. It's there in norm. You can just have members whom you can give other jobs or need not give a job. They will sit in the meetings and they will have a vote.
Mr. Javed is joint secretary for the EC.
Right. So look around you. How many of alumni you see of the past decade or past 2 decades? So we already don't have people who are of less than 10 years experience. So why are we trying to make it more restrictive? As in, yes, we had a bad experience. We may have bad experiences in future also. But the bylaws and our constitution already has measures which will help us weed out the bad apple. So why are we generalizing that okay, we had a bad experience, someone was from outside Chennai, he couldn't attend, or he was not a good functioning EC member. So just to try to not get that kind of person, you are generalizing that okay, now this 10 year is the quota. Yes, but why 5 years? What gives us the power to say that after 5 years I am now good enough? Why not 2? Why not 15? Why not 50? So I don't understand that who gives us the right, or how do we understand that 5 is the correct number or 10 is the correct number? So we have processes, we have laws which will help us that if I am not performing, throw me out. If president is not performing, there are ways that president can be removed from the EC. But I would say that we should not have resolutions which will make it non-inclusive and people like. I would say that what is the first impression of Alumni Association? When we are going out of the institute, what happens is that our mess deposits, $500, we are given a choice that if you want to take out the $500, you go and fill 10 forms, you will get it out. Otherwise, it goes into the Alumni Association funds. So that's the subscription which we see in our annual report. So the first impression is that Alumni Association is taking my money out from my pocket. So that's the first impression. Then for the first 5-10 years, people think that Alumni Association is not for me, institute is not for me. Probably Alumni Association just wants my money. I don't have enough money right now. So I will worry about the Alumni Association when I am old, when I am rich, when I have a big body. So that's why people don't care to even think about EC or Alumni Association, and on top of that, we are trying to bring resolutions which are making things more restrictive. So now I am a 4 years or 5 years, 6 years experience. Now I am an EC member. People call me and they ask mundane things like how do I get my duplicate degree? Even though it's there on the site, they don't know that an alumni association EC is functioning or association staff is functioning for their benefit, and they can get lots of service out of it. So I would say that let's not generalize things, let's not have restrictive resolutions, and let it be as it is. And if there are bad experiences, we'll take measures as and when needed. Thank you.
Gautam, would you like to respond? Yes.
I have a comment.
Yeah, please.
Even for the Chief Minister of a state or the Prime Minister of this country who run the state and the country, no minimum experience is specified. Why are you doing it for the association?
That misses the important point. There is an age restriction to be an MLA or an MP. To my knowledge, it is there in the constitution currently. So we are also saying 25 that we will.
Here is restriction is the graduation completion.
No, I just made the point. I'm not supporting, I'm not either for or against the resolution. But there are age restrictions in many areas. That is the point being made. I think the idea being that a little bit of maturity and exposure helps to contribute better to the functioning of the EC. Plus also the actually availability of time. When you are just starting your career, it actually involves a lot more time. Actually, I've been active for the last few months. It involves a lot more time than you would really think when you're on the outside. That's
Yeah, above 60 are retired, full time.
Excuse me. I'm Aditya. I passed out this year. So basically, instead of making this 5 years of membership with the association, can we do something like, means he should have passed out 5 years before, instead of making means membership with the association for 5 years. If say I want to get elected, I should be elected only after 5 years. Means I passed out this year in 2011. So
That's the resolution.
no, the resolution says membership association means you should be a member for 5 years or more than for 5 years. Right?
Hello. Okay, shall we put for resolution overall for the resolution?
Just one
100 per
question.
year.
1 minute, one question. Does it really stand, can you check with the law whether equality is maintained by us? If you make some very, very compelling reason that whatever number of years, 5 years, 10 years you make it, it may be relevant. Otherwise, all members in a society are considered to be equal. I don't understand how do you distinguish on
No, I
this?
think there are
I'm not sure.
bucket association.
In the Charitable Societies Act, I think these restrictions can be put, because all clubs have it, all associations have it, that you need a minimum year of membership for getting onto the committees.
Yeah, I agree. Many clubs and associations, unless there's a minimum period of service, fine.
All are formed under the Charitable Societies Act, and everything is governed only by that act. In fact, when we were talking about the electronic voting, we discussed the act many times.
This year we decided to give some compliments to all the people attending the AGM. That's why the prize are coming.
So I feel this instead of proposing this, let the election process take over. If you feel that somebody is very junior, he is immature, you propose an old man, let him come forward. Nobody is coming forward, at least somebody is there to fill that.
That is where the problem. See, the youngsters are together and they are in
Let
touch
them come forward.
with each other. As a result, the entire 2010 batch voted for the vice president. A guy who has been there for so years, he lasted by five votes or so.
And he has been absent the vice president. So, anyway, that's all up to the AGM to pass or not pass.
Is it possible to have a sub-clause in this as proposed that the president, vice president, 5 years, 10 years, others 5 years?
Put this to vote.
Let this be over. Okay, overall, this is amended to 5 years of membership association.
Instead of restricting by 5 years or 10 years, if somebody is elected, he should attend at least so many meetings per year.
That is post facto, no.
Restrictions can be put.
If he doesn't attend, no,
Doesn't attend, he is removed from the.
that is automatically, that is post facto.
That is there, why is this restriction?
No, damage is already
When you
done.
make an inequality between people who joined and who are there for the last 10 years, that doesn't look all right. It becomes a caste system here. People who 10 years old.
It's not a caste, it's eligibility system.
So it's not fair, I feel. So instead, once he is elected, he is supposed to.
No, that resolution that people don't,
That automatically.
that is there in the bylaws. People don't attend meeting, they can be eliminated, they can be asked not to come, but that doesn't serve the purpose. The post remains vacant. if he goes. Anyway, we are putting the vote to resolution.
Put it in old days.
Putting it, and as per the completed 5 years instead of 10 years. Yeah, please.
Correct procedure will be that you have got to put this amendment to the amendment. To the vote first in the General Assembly. Yeah? Once that is approved, then only you can take up. So now you are just amending the amendment. Then the House.
I am putting the amended resolution to,
No.
we, proposal,
Amendment is already there before.
yeah, proposal is change the amendment.
No. You cannot change it.
Okay.
It has got to be brought to the general body. The chair has got to move.
Okay.
Amendment to the amendment. Once that is approved by the general body, then you can go ahead.
But proposal is changing it, you can't guarantee, you can't change it, you can't change it.
So what's the procedure? Okay, this I am putting it to vote. We are amending.
Just say that 10 years is being changed to 5 years, I put that to
So
vote.
even then, with the approval of the general body, then you are going to change this amendment. That is amendment to amendment.
Okay, we are proposing to change the amendment to 5 years instead of 10 years. Can I have the permission of the, or approval of the? These are for, against? Okay. For is carried out. So the present amendment is, elected members as described in clause 822 who have completed 5 years of membership association. That's a new clause. Overall for it, please.
That's right.
Okay, overall against? For is carried out. So, second amendment is carried out, first amendment is defeated.